Hi, I'm Leafy and this is Spark. Let's have fun learning English together. Are you ready? Spark, let's do some magic. Repeat after me. This is an airplane. This is an airplane. 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 This is a cloud. This is a cloud. 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 This is the moon. This is the moon. 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 This is the sun. This is the sun. 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 This is a star. This is a star. 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 Spark, what's next? Airplane. Cloud. Moon. Sun. Star. Now, let's play. Sun. Star. Airplane. Cloud. Moon. Airplane. Cloud. Moon. Star. Sun. Sun. Star. Cloud. Airplane. Moon. Moon. Cloud. Sun. Airplane. Star. Star. Sun. Moon. Cloud. Airplane. Well done. Spark, what's next? Let's read a story. Making friends. 1. Once upon a time, high up in the sky, there was a little star who sometimes felt a bit lonely. One night, the moon saw her looking sad.
"Little star, are you okay?"
Asked the moon.
I want to make new friends, but I don't know how.
The little star said. The moon smiled.
"I can help you. When you want to meet someone, just ask, 'What's your name?'"
The little star's eyes sparkled. She took a deep breath and said,
What's your name?
"I'm the moon." "Very good,"
said the moon with a warm smile. The little star floated a bit higher and found the sun waking up.
What's your name?
"I'm the sun,"
said the sun with a bright, warm smile.
"What's your name?"
I'm Star.
Said the little star. The little star continued her journey and visited the planets one by one.
What's your name?
"I'm Mars."
I'm Saturn. I'm Jupiter.
Then she went down to visit the clouds.
What's your name?
I'm Cloud, answered a soft, fluffy cloud. A bit lower, an airplane flew by.
What's your name?
Asked the little star, waving with one tiny point. The airplane tilted a wing and said,
I'm Airplane. Nice to meet you.
The little star was so happy that she almost shimmered with joy. She had made so many new friends. And from that day on, the little star never felt sad again because she knew that to make new friends, she only had to ask, "What's your name?" The end. That was so fun! It's time to say